Alright guys, my wife makes her own laundry soap, so I thought this would be a nice addition to her laundry room. The only issue here is, I know my wife, so she'll take the lid off of this and leave it off all the time. So I'm going to put a hinge on it to where it just hinges up, and then she could just close it down quick and easy. I have a hinge, just a single one, but it's kind of rusty and a little crappy, and I don't think it needs to be this big. So I picked up these from Walmart, just cheap, only two holes. So instead of screwing it in there, I'm going to rivet it in there, so that way the screws aren't cutting her hand whenever she reaches in there. Plus it looks like it's got a lot of rivets in it as it is. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. Alright, so I figured out how exactly I want the hinge to go, and it looks as if I want it to go like this. So that way it kind of lifts. It's got to kind of come up a little bit to clear the box, because it does fit down on the box. So I'm going to put it with the hinge down. Put it with the hinge down there. So I'll rivet it on there just like this. Got it straight, got it in the middle. I'm using a 3/16 since it's that size for the hinge, so 3/16 it is. It's a little overkill, but 1/8 inch would probably be enough. And these are stainless steel rivets. They're kind of tough. Alright, so that's in. Probably should mark this before I rivet it on, but I'll make it work. Half inch down. Half inch up. Definitely should have riveted that after. It's going to make it kind of tight because of the rivets. The part that gets squished. But works pretty good. So alright. Not too shabby. I think the hinges cost $2. This was like $9, I think. 9 or 10 bucks. So now when she reaches in there, she's not going to cut her hand on the screws or anything. The hinge looks pretty good. Nice and tight. Right now, while it's empty, it just lifts up the lid. But once it's full of her soap powder, it'll work good.